Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, my house is in a big mess. I am in the process of moving and I have to get out of this house by the end of March. Before I get into the details and I tell you what's been going on, the sponsor of this video is this lovely, cute double-walled mugs. Experience tranquility with every sip. These beautiful crafted double-walled glass mugs are designed for both coffee and tea lovers. Crafted from the finest glass, renowned for its heat retention, they keep your beverages warmer for longer, allowing you to savor the perfect temperature and aroma to the very last drop. The double-wall design not only provides insulation, but also creates a mesmerizing visual effect, adding a touch of sonority to your coffee or tea ritual. Lightweight and comfortable to hold, these versatile mugs are perfect for any occasion. They even microwave and dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning, ensuring long-lasting enjoyment. I have left the link of these beautiful mugs at the description box of the video as well as the first comment, where you can go and get yours. Okay, now why I'm moving from this house is that, first of all, the rent of this house has gone up a lot and the landlord is asking to increase the rent. It's already increased and we've been paying it, but we can't, like, it's crazy. And we decided that no matter what, we do not want to pay this rent anymore. No matter if I'm gonna get a house or whatever, that is so clear that I'm not gonna pay another rent of this amount for the next month. And I just want to break free myself of so much struggling, so much working, and just paying the rent. Basically, you're just throwing your money. You never have anything and you just end up paying more and more and more every year for the same place. And it's not only the rent, the council tax also is just increasing every year. So it's just really crazy the amount that I'm paying for this house, and I just don't want to do it. So basically, it's not like that I have not been searching for the houses. The house rents are gone up a lot in UK. We've been just searching for something that really reasonable, and we came to the conclusion that since we are gonna rent again and we are gonna pay the rent and everything has become so costly and expensive, and we've got other bills to pay, we've got loans and cards and things like that, so we decided that we are going to rent a place for much lower, almost half a rent that we are paying right now, and for that reason we have to only go to a one-bedroom apartment. I am now getting rid of a lot of things because I always had a big life. I always had not less than 2 bedrooms in my life, and over the years I've gathered a lot of stuff around me, especially ever since I started doing YouTube. So for cooking you need a lot of things, you need to buy every time new thing. So over the years I gathered a lot of stuff around me. Now I have to get rid of them. I have been doing this for months now. I sold tremendous amount of things around me. I threw a lot of things. I gave a lot of things away to people, and still I have a lot. But I can tell you, I've come to have like kind of half. I made my belongings is come to a half now of what I had. So I'm still giving things away. I'm still throwing things or selling. Now I'm obviously packing. You see those boxes over there. So even if I give so many things away and sell so many things away, still I have things that I wish to have them. I do not want to sell them or give them away or throw them. So they are obviously not gonna fit all of them in a one-bedroom apartment. So what I'm gonna do is that I am going to pack so many stuff that I do not need right now, and I'm gonna just put them in a storage room. Today I went and I looked at some storage spaces, and we picked one, so we are going hopefully to finalize this by the next week and, you know, transfer my stuff and boxes, some of them there. Let me tell you about properties, about, you know, house hunting. I've been like crazy, been seeing a lot of houses, some of them not suitable for us, some of them the rent's too high, some of them they're really awful properties, some of them they are too far, which really doesn't make any sense that we want to, you know, spend a lot of money on gas and, you know, commute to the city and going there. So it's really difficult to find a right place with the right price. But anyway, we are still looking. We haven't found anything yet. We're still looking. We have until end of March. By the way, today is the first day of spring. I'm recording this video for you, and you know the Persians, they are celebrating the first day of spring as Nowruz, like New Year. And I just wanted to congratulate and say happy Nowruz to everybody who is celebrating out there. I know we are not only the Persians doing that, a lot of other people, they celebrate the first day of spring. So happy the first day of spring to all of those people who out there celebrating, and I wish all the prosperity, happiness and health for every single one of you. So let me tell you that probably you're gonna ask this question, what if you didn't find any place? What would be the option for a person that is just in a situation that they have to leave the place that they are and they don't find any place? What will happen to them? Let me tell you, I have been, you know, exploring all the options out there. You either go, you know, to stay with your relatives, friends or family if you are lucky enough to have one, so that you can just stay with them until you find a right place for yourself. The other option is that you can go and approach to the city council of your place that you are living, and you know, you just tell them that this is your situation, which is not really easy to just approach the government authorities. There are a lot of other peoples that they are homeless and they're looking for properties, so you will be placed in a tremendously long waiting list, and probably they're gonna put you in a temporary accommodation. You don't know where, you don't know how, you need to live with the other people. Some of the conditions of those accommodation is that you don't even have a kitchen, you don't even have a sharing kitchen, so you can't basically cook. So I know a lot of people, they are in these places right now for years waiting for the property to be given to them. So it's not really an ideal choice for me. I rather go and buy a second-hand small caravan and stay in there until figure out what's my next move. Because I don't know, it's just like a nightmare for me to go somewhere like that. But anyway, it's just, you know, depends on your choices and whatever comes on your way. And yeah, the other option is that you just, if you have a caravan, or you know, you just get one for a really cheap price, as low as 1,300, and be there. Actually, it's really kind of exciting and adventurous. It's not easy, but I'm really open to anything. The other option is that you can go to a hotel, which is an expensive option, but it's just a temporary few days solution. The other option, and the last option, is that you just sleep in your car if you have one. Oh, by the way, well, I think the last option to end up sleeping in the streets is that there are these charity companies, sometimes from the churches in the cities that they are offering a temporary accommodation for homeless people that they don't have a place to stay. So you are always welcome there. They always have a place for you, you know, a bed that you can just spend the night, and you're welcome to stay as long as you can. I know that a lot of cities, they have these options. So these are basically the option for someone in UK that is just about to be homeless or is a homeless. So, but let me tell you guys one thing. A lot of my friends, they told me, we are getting anxiety when, you know, we see you, like your situation, and you are just about to, you know, leave where you are, and then you still don't have a place to go. They are taking a lot of stress, but honestly, I'm so cool. I'm not scared of these things. Just these are the temporary situation of your life comes on your way. And if anxiety and stress supposed to solve all my problems, trust me, I would be the person who is the most having stress and having anxiety. But no, they are not going to save me or solve my problems. You know, today I am sitting here and thinking about my life in the past 5 or 10 years, because these problems always come your way. You know, you solve this problem, something else pops out. You lost this problem, another thing comes out. So basically it's always problems, because this is life. So I'm thinking 5 years ago, 10 years ago, when I had my own problems at that time, and it was really so important for me. I was not always like that. I used to get so much of a stress if my life routine would be, you know, messed up, and, you know, something come out and it look a huge problem to me. I was not like that. I used to get so much stressed out, and I'm thinking about those days that I used to be like that, and today I'm thinking what those problems are worth for you now. They seem that they don't matter to you anymore, regardless of either I solved it or I didn't. I'm still alive. I didn't die of that problem. Why I have to get anxiety today? Because today is just like my 5 years ago. Something else comes up my way. So why would I just all the time repeat the same pattern and be like most of the people in the world and get stressed and, you know, kill myself? Because at the end of the day, the problem goes away or don't go away, but I will be ending up with a person who just mentally drained and prematurely aged because of taking a lot of stress over everything. I'm really cool. Honestly, I'm telling you, if today I go out of this place and all the options are closed for me, I'm not scared. I don't have any problem to just sit on a bench whole night or lay down on a bench whole night. I do not let anything physically outside of this world come and influence inside me and, you know, mess with my inner peace. This is not easy. Like, I have been training my mind for months now. I was not just one day woke up and become like that. I really worked on myself. There was a situation that I reacted badly, and then I again spoke to myself and I calmed myself and I said, okay, you failed this time, let's move on to the next situation. If a stressful situation comes up your way, you're promising yourself that you are not going to react this way again. So you're going to react in a calmly manner, and that would be better for you. And trust me, when you are like that, always the best outcomes come your way. So guys, I will be updating you on my situation. Whatever happens, if I get any property or where I'm gonna be, where I'm ending up, I will definitely let you know, and I will tell you what happens, and you'll see. But you'll see me always smiling and strong, and every one of you, I think, should be like that. look at your life and see what is in your life is your red light, which is off limit, which shouldn't be touched, that you can't bear it if something happens to it. That is your point to work on it and to make yourself, transform yourself to this person that even if your red line in life is crossed and you lost what really mattered to you most, you still are this strong person who your inner peace is not going to be triggered and you are not going to lose it. The moment that you transform to that person, you are stepping towards the path of a complete and a real happy human being, I believe. Anyway, so that's it for today. I wish you all the best and I will come with my update. Love you all. Take care.